Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heartbeat bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb. So today we're going to do a lot of cleaning in here. We are going to be installing some cameras, so I hope y'all stick around for it, and I hope y'all enjoy. I give you real life cleaning motivation over here. Sometimes it's crazy messy, sometimes it's not so bad, but I think it's just the way our homes normally are. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. So we're going to start here in the living room, and we're going to work our way to the dining room and kitchen.
Go on, blow up your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble.
So we are going to take a quick break from cleaning so I can talk about today's video sponsor. Nui reached out to me and I really wanted to try these cameras for the ranch. So here we have the Nui 2K 360 degree camera, and I'm going to show y'all really quickly what's in the box. We have the user manual, which we found very easy to use. We also have the camera. Of course, this camera can hook up to your Google or your Alexa, so you can watch it on your devices. We use our phone for it. They also sent these stickers, and the charger is actually a USB and a micro, so that's pretty universal. And they also send you the plug for that, so it's very easy. You also have the hardware, the mount, and the screws to mount it. So here's everything that was in the box. So as I said before, this camera was very easy to set up in the app, and you can personalize your camera settings as far as location, name, and things like that. You can zoom in with this camera. You can change its views all by using your phone, and it's very, very easy. It also has a mic, a speaker, and a sensor, so it can follow movement. You can set it up however you would like to do it, so it was really nice. The picture quality was great. So now we have the second camera. We are installing the Nui outdoor security camera. This camera provides round-the-clock protection. It has 12 infrared lights that provide crisp night vision within a range of up to 50 feet. It's also great for reassuring that your packages are safe and delivered and not tampered with once they're there, because it has a motion alert, two-way audio, and an alarm siren. It can take any kind of weather, heat and cold. And with the outdoor camera, you can store footage on your iCloud or on the SD card. And this camera is made to self-install. All you have to do is mount it and plug it in, follow the app instructions, and you're good to go. I have linked both of these cameras below if you want to go check them out. Use code NUI360-225 for 25% off. Nui also plans to launch different bundles to meet every family's needs. They aim to help customers to take the first and easy steps towards smart home life and better protect their indoor and outdoor safety. And the price is very, very affordable. They're lowest ever. So like I said, I will have them linked down below. Go check them out. Thanks Nui for sponsoring today's video. I am just using some Murphy oil soap mixed with water to clean the tables in here. That's one of my favorite cleaners to use. I know I say that all the time, but I just love the way it smells really fresh and it's nice, and I don't know, it just freshens everything up and gives it a nice shine. So anyway, I am also going to be taking down the Halloween decor at the end of this video, and also the fall decor. I wanted to show y'all really quick. We got this at, I think it was Burlington the other day. It's some dog spray. We just got a puppy a few weeks ago. we are still working with training her and all that stuff. She was she was biting a lot. They call it mouthing. And I read a book the other day and I watched a YouTube video, and now we are working with her. She's really getting good about not biting us, and she's also learned to sit, and she knows what snapping the fingers is. So it's really cool training her. She catches on really, really quick, and they say when they're puppies they do, and it makes them smarter as they grow, so we can teach her more and more tricks. So we're super excited about that. So now I'm just vacuuming the carpet in here. These are carpet squares. I showed them to y'all in a couple of videos ago, and I will have them linked below too, because a lot of y'all were very interested in them. So I'll link those below as well.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone.
I just wanted to give y'all one more look at the fall decor before it all gets taken down today. And now we're gonna jump over to the dining room. The kids we've been eating here a lot. We used to not eat at the table very much, but we've made it a new thing where we are eating at the table quite a bit more, just to keep things clean. And since we have the puppy now, it gets a little crazy. So anyway, we needed to clean that and the kitchen. But first, I'm going to start by getting all the dishes out of the dining room.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
So now I'm just going to hand wash some of the dishes that don't go in the dishwasher and put those away. I noticed that some of my other YouTube friends that do cleaning channels get a lot of comments if they leave any food on their dishes when they load them in the dishwasher. I was wondering y'all's opinion on that. I actually watched a professional video, or a professional person load a dishwasher. Professional, I don't know what they are, but he said to leave the food on the dishes so that the soap has something to cling to, and it cleans it better actually if you leave the food on the dishes. So I've been trying to save more water, and if something's not like terribly stuck on, then I will just go ahead and throw it in the dishwasher. And I've also been using the highest setting on the dishwasher, and our dishes have been coming out really, really clean. So let me know down in the comments, how do you do it?
isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listening to me crime, to get a little lost in everybody's business.
So now that we have all the dishes clean and put away, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the counters, and I'm going to start by clearing them all off, putting everything away that needs to be put away, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray them down. I think on this day I was using vinegar and water, I believe. I either use the vinegar and water, or I sometimes use the Miss Myers, and I like the lemon verbena scent. I also like some of their other scents, especially around Christmas time, so I will definitely be on the lookout for those.
Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on a ride.
I'm going to do the same thing here on the dining room table. I'm just going to move everything that doesn't need to be on there, get it cleaned off, get things put away. I'm going to be taking some of this fall decor down as well. Like I said, we've been eating here, so I think for Christmas, I'm going to do a very minimal centerpiece on this table because we have been using it quite a bit and it needs to be cleaned off. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'm just using the Murphy oil soap mixed with water to clean this table as well.
Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.
Now I'm just going to finish cleaning up by vacuuming the floors. I did not mop on this night. I was just exhausted already from the day. This was actually Halloween. So I was cleaning during the day, and then we took a break and went trick-or-treating, took the kids trick-or-treating, and we took Sadie this year, which was interesting because we're still leash training her. But anyway, we had a good time, came home, and I wanted to finish the house, get it cleaned, because I knew the next day I wanted to take down the fall decor. And now today I am going to finish this voiceover, and I'm going to go start cleaning the house from top to bottom. I love cleaning it when there's no decor, so that way I get it nice and clean before I bring in the next round, which will be Christmas, and I'm so excited for it. I hope y'all are too. We're going to be making stuff. We're going to be finding new recipes, baking, all the things this year, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So this is how the house turned out, and now we're going to go ahead and start taking down the fall decor. I'm going to end this voiceover here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it got y'all motivated, and I hope y'all come back and see me here. Love you all. Take care of each other. Don't forget to go check out Nui. Get your place secure, and I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye, guys.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know